of all the words in the 756-page dictionary, no word is ever able to describe my definite urge to stab you.
It's your brother? There's no way! Look at his slimy face!
Well, I'm not fond of your face either, but you don't see me trying to fucking murder you over it. I like the attitude. You morons! Stop breaking everything I own! I need a sugar daddy. Why is Killer on the roof with dust horror? What do you mean they wanted to see the stars? Why couldn't they have just gone to Outertail? What do you mean Error said no? I'm their boss! What a nice, quiet, relaxing morning. I am a dad of 3. My oldest is the emo. He never grew out of his edgy face. Then there's my 7-year-old, who I disowned when he kissed my brother. And my toddler. He basically just eats. He's also the least problematic octopus. I'm a goop. Black negative thing. Samina, waka, I'm gay, samina, Sunday, where is the lovely day? It's muffin time, 'cause I wanna die. Oni-chan. Favorites? No, I do not favor everyone. Everybody get back to work! Except Cross, you can just sit over here and wait with me. How the absolute fuck did you fail this? It's fine, you did your best. You fucking donkeys! Hurt them again, and I'll slit your throat. This is fine.